value stream identification workshop is really identifying how does the customer get value from our product or services. In other words, how do we make money? Or how do we serve the citizen if it's a public sector organization? And that's what the value stream identification is all about. And what it allows us to do is to see the flow of, customer flow. They come in, they go through a series of steps, and then they get the product or service they need. And why is it important? And why do we need it? Because most of the time, our organizations are very much functionally designed. So we think of an organization as a sales function, a marketing function, a technology function, a fulfillment function, or a contact center, that kind of thing. And what value stream identification allows us to do to say, actually, the customer journey isn't about bouncing through various functions. It's about coming in, getting the service they need, and then fulfilling that service. And that's what the value stream identification does. Value stream identification workshop is about 1-day workshop. And if the value stream is really complicated or the organization is really big, we may have to do it in 2 passes, because what we want to do in the value stream identification workshop, we don't really need a lot of people. We try and get it to 15 people or less. And those people who come to that workshop need to have an understanding from a business perspective, what are the activities that we need to do in order to fulfill it. And then we also need to have the understanding about the underpinning systems that, if you like, enable this customer journey to happen. And the people who come, so they both understand from the business, what is the business activities that we need to do in order to serve the customer. Also, what are the systems that are there to enable this journey to happen. And then from a technical side of things, we need to have architects who understand how these various systems interconnect and relate to each other. And then people who understand who are the skills that we need, where are they geographically, are they in one country, multiple countries, and that's what we need to be able to make sure that when we design the team of teams that is going to service these systems that empower or enable the value stream are actually, if you like, as cohesive as possible, minimum number of handoffs and delays in servicing the customer.